Good afternoon. Welcome to the Appellate Division First Department admission ceremonies for today, February 27. Ms. Schwartz.
Good afternoon, and may it please the court. I, Sharon Schwartz, staff counsel to this court's Committee on Character and Fitness, am honored this afternoon to present to the court 38 applicants for admission to the bar. Further, I am pleased to report that the committee has examined the records of each applicant appearing here today. Accordingly, on behalf of the committee, I certify that each applicant appearing here this afternoon does possess the requisite character and fitness to merit admission to the bar of the state of New York, and therefore I do hereby move for their admission.
Thank you, Ms. Schwartz. And again, on behalf of the bench, as well as on behalf of the entire court, wish to thank you, your committee, Ms. Guerrero, for your tireless efforts in the vetting of these candidates. We thank you very much. And again, I want to point out that the members of the committee do this on a pro bono basis. So again, thank you. In anticipation of this motion, the bench has met and we have decided to grant the motion. Ms. Susanna Rojas, the clerk of the court, will now administer the oath of office.
Good afternoon, Justice Weber. Good afternoon, candidates. I will administer the oath in the form of a question. At the end, I will ask you to respond by saying I do if you agree with the oath. At this point, I ask everyone to please raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear or affirm to support the Constitution of the United States and the Constitution of the State of New York, and to faithfully discharge the duties of the office of Attorney and Counselor at Law to the best of your ability? Please respond by saying I do.
I do.
Congratulations, attorneys. You may lower your right hand and please mute your microphones. Thank you.
Congratulations, attorneys. You made it, finally. Congrats. It is the tradition of this court that at these admission ceremonies, one of the justices gives remarks to the newly admitted attorneys. And today, that honor and privilege falls to my colleague, Justice Gesmer.
Thank you, Justice Weber. And congratulations, attorneys. That sounds pretty good, doesn't it? On behalf of the bench and the entire court, please accept my warmest congratulations, both to you and also to your loved ones, the family and friends who have supported you through this arduous process. You are being admitted to the bar in a still very strange and uncertain point in the history of our country and our profession, and indeed the world. I'm very sorry that one very visible effect of the pandemic is that we are not able to hold this ceremony in our majestic courtroom as we used to do. Perhaps you can get some idea of its beauty from the photograph which we are each using as a virtual backdrop. I hope that you and those close to you will come by to our building sometime when things become more normal, to see this historic building and to watch us during argument. As I thought about welcoming you to the bar at this time, it struck me that crises like these often make clear both what is required to be an outstanding lawyer and what makes our profession great. Of course, all lawyers all the time have to know the law, and all lawyers all the time have to think logically, read critically, write clearly, speak persuasively, and listen with empathy. But today, more than ever, as we realize that the best lawyers have to be willing and able to learn new areas of law and to master new skills. The last few years have shown us that the best lawyers are flexible and nimble. Today, the successful lawyer is the one who can argue virtually one day and put on witnesses in person the next day. And lawyers are now thinking creatively about how to use these new skills and technologies to improve the legal system, to make it more fair, and to provide legal services more efficiently to those least able to afford them. In addition to requiring new skills, the vast social effects of the pandemic demonstrate more clearly than ever that our profession has a duty to assist those who have the least access to legal resources, and lawyers have risen to the challenge. Bar associations launched massive programs to assist individuals who are in crisis as a result of the coronavirus pandemic and its effects on the economy. Lawyers have been at the forefront of addressing questions of institutional racism. Bar associations have created innovative programs to help refugees and provide other forms of assistance to the newest members of our country. These initiatives demonstrate the many opportunities for using your new legal skills for the public good, and that will enhance you both personally and professionally, because a truly great lawyer acts with moral purpose and a commitment to justice. You have entered a powerful and noble profession. I hope that you find a way to practice it that provides you with intellectual challenge and joy while advancing the creation of a just and equal society. With that, congratulations again and best wishes as you begin this boundless journey.
Thank you very much, Justice Gesmer, for those words. Then thank you all again, and congratulations to you all again.
Thank you to the justices and Ms. Rojas. They will now log off, and the new attorneys will stay on with me.